I want to show some of the different ideas that I had for how you might implement Lab 10. So this first one is about as basic as you can get and still fulfill like the requirements of the lab. So you have to detect a sequence, and first the way you would reset is like this switch here at the end is the reset switch, and then that's the button to advance the clock, so that resets. There's no visuals for that, nothing to show what it does. And then this last button here, last switch, if you have it switched like that, then it represents 1, and that's 0, and then that you have an input every time you press the clock button, and then the LED here will light up if you've matched the sequence. And so one of the sequences you're supposed to match is 1 1 1 1 1, so that'll now register a 1 as an input. I press the button, 1 2 3 4, and there it is. But now if I did 0 1 2 3 4, I don't get anything. Should be back at the start. So if I did 1 0 1 0, should get it to light up. So that is one way you can do it. Another thing is that a lot of times the button might accidentally register that it's pressed more than once. That's something that you can fix through something called debouncing. You can do it with software, you can do it with hardware. I know that the lab has these modules, and so if you have one, you can use it instead of the buttons on the board, and they're debounced, and so it just gets some fewer errors. If you use it, then you plug it into, so on the left side of the board, the right here, and you plug it into the top row. So this version is practically the same as the first version, only uses these buttons. So reset, just press that, and then if you use the constraint that I'll show you, then this is the button that advances the clock right there, and I'll give you the code for that. And then if I wanted to see if I get a sequence, see 1 1 0 1 is a sequence, so 1 1 0 1, and then it lights up, so that does work. Okay, this one is only has just a little bit more, so it has LEDs that you can see, so you can see your sequence so far. So press that up to reset, and then reset, and now I'll do a sequence of 4 1s. And then you can see the LEDs light up to show. Let's do 1 0 1 0. So there's 1 0 1 0, and you can see what happens here is the LEDs are they move down to the end, so they push that way. So the one that you put in is at the end, 1 0 1 0. Okay, this one uses the 7-segment display to show you the sequence that you have. So if I do 1 0 1 0, I can see here that I get my display. It works. And then if I keep going, so nothing there, as I should not have anything there. And then if I did a reset, and then do 1, 1, 1, 1. I believe that one worked, but let's do 1, 1, 1. Yeah, there we go. Okay. This one, I don't think I worked all the bugs out of it. Well, that did what it was supposed to. Okay, so now if I do 1, 1, 1, 1. Oh no, I did not work all the bugs out. You see, I don't have all those lit up, but it shows that all the idea here is, oh look, you got the sequence and all the lights flash up. But I didn't finish this one, so it's not doing it at the right time. So it's not completely functional, but that was just to get the idea of, to give some sort of signal that you made the sequence. Let's see, reset. One, 0. Oh, I'm still on reset. 1, 0, 1, 0, and then the lights don't happen until the next time, but that's another idea. Okay, I think that's all the versions that I have. I had another one that I messed up. It did work, but now I'd changed something. Now it's not working. Just had the numbers come in from the other side, from left to right instead of right to left. Other ideas I had is that you could use a 7-segment display and have one of the displays show the values of V, the inputs, and the other show the value of G, the outputs. So, I mean, lots of different ideas as to what you could do.